Hello everyone, welcome back at TechIT for another brand new news. So Google is by far the worst when it comes to keeping secrets hidden. Samsung and Apple are concerned about a bad quality photo of their next phone being leaked. On the other side, Google is concerned about someone posting a complete review video of the next phone. That shows their inability to keep secrets. However, Google has a brilliant solution to the leaks. Instead of allowing leakers to do it, they are doing it themselves. Though technically it's not a leak if the company itself discloses information about an unreleased product, this is exactly what is happening with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Google decided to reveal the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro at the Google I/O event just a few days ago, 6 months before the actual product launch. That's right, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are now official. Although I wouldn't call this an official launch, it's more of a teaser. However, Google did reveal the design, colors and some details about the Pixel 7 lineup. Google has kept the camera bar that debuted with the Pixel 6, but this time it is made of polished aluminum that runs right into the frame on both sides for a more integrated look. The camera lenses are a lot bigger and interestingly they look like eye-shaped cutout from the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro. Google has also showcased the color options and here it is. The Pixel 7 comes in Obsidian, Snow and Lemongrass, while the 7 Pro is in Obsidian, Snow and Hazel color. The rear is actually made from matte soft touch glass instead of the glossy finish on the Pixel 6. And it is accented by the polished aluminum bar that runs across the top of the device. The Pixel 7, especially in the snow color, looks clean and absolutely premium. Other information revealed by Google for the Pixel 7 includes a Tensor 2 chip and Android 13 right out of the box. Google didn't show the front nor did they give any other information, but said they will fully reveal the handset later this year, probably in October. Google has also revealed the Pixel 6a at the event for $449 that comes with the flagship Tensor chipset but with a plastic back and a 60Hz display. They have also showcased the Pixel Watch, their first smartwatch that will run Wear OS. Pixel Buds Pro have been revealed as well with active noise cancellation along with the Pixel tablet that's scheduled to launch next year. Basically, Google is creating a Pixel ecosystem similar to Apple and Samsung. And that's about it for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.